Colour. Cut between the lines has to be less than 1 centimeter. I want to do these like this because that's not less than 1 centimeter. I'm going in between. I'm only gonna do this, and then I'm gonna start from here again. The diamonds are coming out. Look at the purple pineapple. Purple pineapple, purple pineapple. I will wait for Evangeline to be finished. Evangeline, what are you making? You're making diamonds. Patterns with a purple. Maybe I can lie down. Look at it's still hot. It's still gonna be hot. Yeah, hot is hot. Well done, Evangeline. Oh. Okay, it's fine. Okay, finished. Now get your scissors. Grab your Sharpie, your black. Do we draw it on the side? Yes. It should be smaller than your palm so that you can put it on. I'm gonna do the cross sign underneath, like our sign. Draw some shades and then color them in. You didn't do shades last time. Sweet. I mean, we did. I mean, we inside you did. And then the bottom line, I'm just going to do it there. And now with a pencil, do some lighter shades. Only top side. Let's cut the shape out. Get your scissors. I don't have any scissors. Well, you're going to share it. Evangeline, it's your turn. Well done, Evangeline. This is the good position of mine. There's a heart hole in your hand. It's helping.
I have a hole.
Oh no! I have a hole in my hand. Yes, and my hole is helping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.